How to add members to a WhatsApp group. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you step by step on how to add members to a WhatsApp group in just a few taps. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the WhatsApp app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, you can simply open the group chat where you want to add people. So here simply open it, and here once you're inside the group chat, at the top you simply have to tap the group name to open the group info page. And here once you do that, on the next page you can see the option labeled as add. So simply tap on it. And here once you tap on this icon, it will show you the list of contacts. So here you can simply select the contact from your list or tap the invite via link to share a group invite link. And once you have selected your contact, you can simply tap on the check button which can be seen in the bottom right corner of the screen. And here once you do it, they will instantly join the group. And that's it. That's how you can add members to a group chat in WhatsApp. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.